My name is Elia. I found the key to a world no one believed existed, inside Grandpa's broken clock. When I turned the key, the clock didn't chime, it opened. I was pulled into a tunnel made of time itself. I landed in Tiktakia, a land where minutes walk and hours fly. Everything moved with gears and light. Time was alive. And that's when I saw him, the dragon. Silver, glowing, gentle, but fading fast. He wasn't just any dragon. He was the clockmaker's dragon, the guardian of time, and he was dying. He said time was breaking, and only someone from the outside could help. Me, a girl from a dusty attic. So I said, okay, let's fix time. We journeyed through ticking forests and minute rivers, but everywhere we went, time was crumbling. Creatures forgot who they were. Days looped over and over. Something or someone was stealing time. The dragon led me to the edge of Tiktakia, where shadows whispered and moments vanished. The time thief lived here, and he was stealing more than time. He was stealing hope, memories, even courage. With every step, I felt smaller, like time itself was forgetting me. We found a hidden chapel deep in the heart of the gears. It was quiet, warm, like time had stopped just to let me breathe. I was scared. I wanted to run. But then I remembered what Grandpa always told me, even time bows to the one who made it. So I whispered, Jesus, help me. And in that moment, everything changed. Peace pushed back the fear. The shadows froze. Even the dragon lifted his head. Because Jesus, he holds time in his hands. He is the beginning and the end. And with him, I wasn't just brave. I was unstoppable. Time didn't need fixing. It needed its maker. And I just needed to trust him,